eVidya, welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. In a major health initiative, the Telangana Health Department screened 17.96 lakh students in government and aided schools, identifying over 87,000 with vision problems. The campaign, under the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram and the National Blindness Control Program, focused on detecting refractive errors in children aged 10 to 16. Siddharth Nandyala, a brilliant 14-year-old of Indian origin, develops Circadian AI, a powerful hospital use app that can detect heart issues in seconds. His innovation has earned global recognition, including praise from former US Presidents Obama and Biden. Education Minister announced that the Delhi government will repair or rebuild all dilapidated school buildings across the city. This decision comes after the minister conducted surprise inspections at 4 schools in Patparganj and took note of poor infrastructure and other serious issues such as lack of drinking water, poor sanitation, absence of laboratories, and teacher shortages. The government aims to improve infrastructure and ensure a safe, learning-friendly environment for all students, he said. Based on previous year's trends, CBSE Class 10 board exam results are expected to be declared in the second week of May, although the official result date has not yet been confirmed. Once released, scorecards will be available on official websites such as cbseresults.nic.in. CBSE will open the correction and mark confirmation portal for the 2025 list of candidates tomorrow, that is, 10th April 2025. Schools will be able to make corrections in key student details such as name, date of birth, gender, and more. In a remarkable feat on World Health Day, around 20,000 tribal students performed 108 Surya Namaskars for 2 hours at a college in Andhra Pradesh. The event, titled Yoga Mahasurya Vandanam, showcased the students' strength and discipline, setting a new world record and promoting the importance of physical and mental wellness through yoga. CIET and NCERT hosted a live webinar today titled Crafting Impactful Educational Videos, Transforming Learning Through Multimedia, English. The session focused on the role of engaging video content in enhancing classroom learning. It was streamed live on the NCERT official YouTube channel, PM eVidya DTH TV channels 6 to 12, and the JioTV app, making it accessible to educators and learners across platforms. In a shocking incident from Narmadapuram district, the principal of a government college and a professor have been suspended after a viral video allegedly showed a peon evaluating students' answer sheets. The matter came to light when concerned students approached local MLA, who promptly filed a complaint with the authorities. Swift action was taken by the Education Department. As part of the Tobacco-Free Educational Institutions Compliance Drive, Puducherry introduced a unique live organ museum to highlight the harmful effects of tobacco. Displayed during a science fair, the exhibit showcased real organ damage caused by smoking, offering students a powerful, first-hand look at the long-term impact of tobacco use. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.